Hey guys, this is JR Sullivan 2002. Hi. And I'm normally gonna make videos on Sunday, but I just want to show you my pink bird clay model. The plush videos are gonna be every Sunday. By the way, if it's just a quick video, then like this, then I'll just.
Follow the big play. Happen right here.
There we go. Here is my pink Angry Bird clay model. I copied it from EventTube HD. So it's pretty cool. And it's a little big. I just had a lot of pink clay. So it's pretty big. I think I did a pretty good job. So, yeah. So, don't put crappy comments like, this sucks. Well, because, I'm not that good at clay models. I just wanted to see if I just wanted to make a pink bird and post it on YouTube. So, subscribe.